Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to crop an image into a circle. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is when you got your picture on your main screen of GIMP like this, go ahead and go up here and right click the one next to the little addition sign looking little thing, and then click on Eclipse Select, and then make the circle where you want the picture to be. All right, and then right click it, go to select, press invert, because it starts with what's inside the circle, so you want to go ahead and delete everything outside the circle, and then edit, and then cut. And then as you see, I've now cropped my picture into a circle. And then now if I were to, you don't forget, you do have to unselect to move it around. But now I should be able to like move my picture around and stuff. And everything's really cool and chill. And it's all cropped into the circle. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.